The top-rated 3D printers for beginners in 2025. Easy setup, high-quality prints, and budget-friendly options. Get expert reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. To help you find the perfect model, we've compiled a list of the 5 best beginner 3D printers. Be sure to check link in the description below for prices and additional details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest tech updates. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is a standout in the realm of desktop 3D printers, offering an impressive combination of performance, versatility, and user-friendly features. After extensive testing, it's clear that this compact powerhouse is designed for both beginners and experienced users alike. One of the most striking aspects of the A1 Mini Combo is its print quality. With a high-resolution capability, it produces intricate details and smooth finishes, making it ideal for everything from prototypes to detailed models. The precision of the prints is complemented by its speed. It can churn out models faster than many competitors in its class, greatly enhancing productivity without sacrificing quality. Setting up the A1 Mini Combo is a breeze. The intuitive interface and guided setup process mean that even those new to 3D printing can be up and running in no time. The printer also includes features like automatic bed leveling and a user-friendly touchscreen, which further simplify the printing process. Another noteworthy aspect is its versatility. The A1 Mini Combo supports a wide range of materials, from standard PLA to more advanced filaments like PETG and TPU. This flexibility allows users to experiment and create a variety of projects, whether for hobbyist endeavors or practical applications. The build quality is robust, and the compact size makes it a great fit for smaller workspaces. Despite its mini stature, it doesn't compromise on performance or features. Plus, the inclusion of safety features, such as thermal runaway protection, and a fully enclosed design adds an extra layer. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3. Combo. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile 3D printer, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo should be at the top of your list. After extensive testing and printing a variety of models, this machine has proven itself to be a standout performer in the competitive world of 3D printing. One of the most impressive features of the Kobra 3 Combo is its user-friendly design. The printer comes partially assembled, making setup quick and straightforward, even for beginners. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, allowing for easy navigation through the various settings and options. Whether you're adjusting print, parameters, or selecting preloaded designs, the experience is seamless. Print quality is where the Kobra 3 truly excels. With a maximum resolution of 0.0 mm, the details in your prints come out crisp and clear. The printer handles a variety of filament types with ease, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, providing flexibility for any project. During our testing, we found that the Kobra 3 consistently produced accurate and high-quality prints with minimal stringing or artifacts. Another remarkable aspect of the Kobra 3 Combo is its large build volume, which allows for bigger projects without sacrificing detail. This is particularly beneficial for users who are looking to create larger models or multiple smaller prints simultaneously. The heated print bed also ensures better adhesion, reducing the chances of warping during the printing process. Number 3. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is an impressive 3D printer that stands out in its category for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. After extensive testing and usage, it's clear that this model offers a remarkable balance of affordability, ease of use, and high-quality prints. One of the standout features of the Neptune 4 Plus is its spacious build volume, which allows you to create larger and more intricate designs without the need for multiple prints. The printer's sturdy construction ensures stability during printing, significantly reducing the vibrations that can lead to errors in your models. Setup is a breeze, thanks to the clear instructions and well-organized components. The printer, comes partially assembled, which means you can start printing in no time. The user-friendly interface and touchscreen make navigating through settings incredibly intuitive. Even for those who are new to 3D printing, print quality is where the Neptune 4 Plus truly shines. With its dual-gear direct drive extruder, it handles a variety of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and TPU with ease. The layer adhesion is excellent, resulting in smooth finishes and intricate details that rival those produced by much more expensive printers. Another noteworthy aspect is the printer's reliability. During my testing, I experienced minimal issues, and the auto bed leveling feature was a game changer, ensuring consistent first layers and reducing the likelihood of failed prints. Additionally, the Neptune 4 Plus includes a range of thoughtful features. A filament sensor that alerts you when you're running low. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE has quickly established itself as a top contender in the world of budget 3D printers, and for good reason. After extensive testing, we found that this machine strikes an impressive balance between performance, ease of use, and affordability, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced hobbyists alike. One of the standout features of the Ender 3 V3 SE is its upgraded printing capabilities. With a robust build volume of 220 x 220 x 250 mm, it allows for a wide range of projects, from intricate miniatures to larger functional prints. The inclusion of a high-precision direct drive extruder greatly enhances filament feeding, resulting in smoother and more consistent prints. We were particularly impressed by its ability to handle a variety of materials, including PLA, PETG, and even TPU, without any major hiccups. The setup process is straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions and well-packaged components. Even those new to 3D printing will find themselves up and running in no time. The printer's intuitive touchscreen interface is user-friendly, allowing for easy adjustments and monitoring of prints. Another highlight is the printer's stability during operation. The sturdy aluminum frame minimizes vibrations, leading to exceptional print quality with crisp details and smooth finishes. We conducted several test prints and were delighted to see minimal stringing and excellent layer adhesion. Moreover, the Ender 3 V3 SE comes equipped with safety features like a power recovery function. Number 1. AnkerMake M5C stands out as a remarkable option for both newcomers and experienced makers alike. After extensive testing and hands-on experience, it's clear that this 3D printer combines innovative technology with user-friendly features, making it a top choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of 3D printing. One of the standout features of the AnkerMake M5C is its impressive printing speed. With a maximum speed of up to 250 ms, this printer significantly reduces the time it takes to complete projects, allowing you to bring your ideas to life faster than ever. This level of efficiency does not compromise the quality of the prints. The M5C consistently produces high-resolution models with intricate details and smooth finishes. Ease of use is another critical aspect where the M5C excels. The intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies navigation and setup, making it accessible even for those who are new to 3D printing. Additionally,